Isaiah 41 verse 10, So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Philippians 4 verse 13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Psalm 34 verse 17, The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their troubles. Romans 8 verse 28, And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. 2 Corinthians 4 verse 16, Therefore we do not lose heart. Though outwardly we are wasting away, yet inwardly we are being renewed day by day. Psalm 121 verses 1 to 2, I lift up my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Joshua 1 verse 9, Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Isaiah 40 verse 31, But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles, they will run and not grow weary, they will walk and not be faint. John 16 verse 33, I have told you these things, so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble. But take heart! I have overcome the world. Nahum 1 verse 7, The Lord is good, a refuge in times of trouble. He cares for those who trust in Him. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.